So this next song is it's a song that was written locally here in Hamilton, in Binbrook, and it's called "When You and I Were Young, Maggie." Now I trust you. It's going to turn into a Sicilian song. I wrote a poem for Maria about 2017, and when I read the newspaper article of this song, "When You and I Were Young, Maggie," it was eerily similar to many of the words that I had for Maria, and so I actually translated the song and put it together with some of my words, and I envisioned myself overseeing Rakamuto or Aragona, where my parents are from, and it's called "When You and I Were Young." So what I'm going to do here is just sing part of the English song, "When You and I Were Young," and then I'm going to sing my version 155 years later. The song was written 1865, and my version, May 12th, 1865, and my version was written May 12th, 2020. So it took me 150 years to to write this song. So this is "When You and I Were Young." So I just want to give you a sample. I wandered today to the hill, Maggie, to watch the scene below. The creek and the rusty old mill, Maggie, where you stand alone on the road. The green grove is gone from the hill, Maggie, where first the daisies run. The rusty old mill is still, Maggie, since you and I were young. So that's the English version. Now, of course, the Sicilian version, it can't be Maggie, it's got to be Marie, for my wife. And change some of the locations of it. So, Quannu Eramu Carusi, Marie. Passarono I mondi, Marie, I figli di un paese già tutta, a piazza e a chiesa, Marie, ognuna si cambia in qua. La fudana non c'è più, Marie, ogni di vivano cavalli, ubando ancora Marie, di Quannu Eramu Carusi, di giù un sogno buono più, Marie, come cammino non ne comprima, la facci si più tempo, Marie, ma ho tempo tu smetto una pina, di giù caseno vecchi, Marie, cuscione di lumari pizza, ma prima tutti ancora bella, Marie, di quando erano giovani di più. Marie, 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 Marie. Grazie. Thank you.